Hi guys, this is Manmohan Kotibaskar and she's my wife Meghna Kotibaskar, and we are in Azerbaijan since last 1 week through Fly Divine Travels, and it has been a wonderful experience to have come here. I definitely recommend all Indians to definitely come here and have a great vacation. Azerbaijan is a beautiful country, and we went to Gabala, we went to Baku, we are now in Shahdag, and all the three places are amazingly, surprisingly wonderful.
Absolutely.
And you can bet on me. Also,
Yes.
I would like to thank the entire Fly Divine team, Kavita especially, because she has been so supportive. She has been suggesting a lot of options. We troubled her, no doubt, but ultimately the trip has come up wonderfully well.
Yes.
And thank you for that, Kavita.
Yeah, because we tried out some of the courts, few sightseeing places we added, and it was all considered. We had a wonderful stay in Baku as well. Almost 4 days we stayed. The sightseeing was wonderful. The driver they allotted us because our specific need was we need English speaking driver,
Yeah.
and we got one, and hence it was very much comfortable for us. The Baku stay, the hotel's arrangements were too good, the car was good, so the travel was very comfortable. And now we are in Shahdag. Shahdag hotel is also beautiful. We got wonderful weather here. Yesterday it snowed all the night, so today we got to do the rides as well. We'll be heading back to Baku today, and thank you very much, Fly Divine team. The three of us enjoyed the whole trip thoroughly. This is our third trip through Fly Divine team, and we wish to do more and more trips through you guys. This was a wonderful experience.
Special mention is the driver Resad,
Yeah,
who took great care of us, who also saved some money, as well as also he guided us very well throughout
yeah.
the Azerbaijan trip.
Suggested best things.
I recommend him for any future travelers who are traveling through Fly Divine.
Yes,
He is a nice guy, and of course Shahbaz, of course Kavita, your support was immense.
Absolutely.
And without which it was very difficult to have such a wonderful trip.
absolutely. Thank you very
we are
much,
thankful.
Kavita.
We are thankful.
Yeah, and Fly
Yeah.
Divine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye bye.